You need to hear this if you're a gun enthusiast. Curious about bump stocks? Let's dive in. A bump stock replaces a rifle's standard stock, the part held against your shoulder. This device frees the weapon to slide back and forth rapidly using the energy from the kickback. When the stock bumps between your shoulder and trigger finger, it causes the rifle to rapidly fire again and again. By holding your trigger finger in place while maintaining forward pressure on the barrel and backward pressure on the grip, a bump stock allows a semi-automatic rifle to fire almost as fast as a machine gun. However, it doesn't technically convert the rifle to fully automatic. Post 1986. Private citizens can't own fully automatic firearms without a federal license. But bump stocks, which simulate automatic fire without altering the firearm mechanically, were legal under federal law until 2018. Following the 2017 Las Vegas shooting, the Justice Department banned these devices under President Trump's administration. So now you know how bump stocks work and why they're controversial. Stay informed, stay safe.